Today, I'd like to show you how easy it is to make craft soft serve using Itaberco's neutral soft serve mix. When making any flavor of soft serve, there are many things to consider. For example, the liquid to solid ratio, the amount of sugar in the recipe, and the amount of fat used to create the perfect texture. Thankfully, the Itaberco neutral soft serve mix makes creating a variety of flavored soft serves easy by taking care of the sugar to solid and liquid ratio, allowing you to focus on crafting your ideal flavor profile. Additionally, the Itaberco neutral soft serve mix can be flavored using any one of the Itaberco flavor compounds, creating versatility and flexibility for your soft serve program. To start, measure out 4,000 grams of whole milk. For a richer texture, substitute 500 grams of the whole milk with heavy cream. Next, add your Itaberco flavor compound of choice at a ratio of 3 to 5%, or create your own unique blend by mixing 2 or 3 flavor compounds in combination. Flavor can also be added by infusing the milk with various aromatics prior to beginning the process. Lastly, add the Itaberco neutral soft serve mix and blend using an immersion blender for a minimum of 90 seconds to hydrate the sweeteners and stabilizers and ensure everything is well incorporated. Pour your soft serve mix into the hopper of your soft serve machine and process according to the manufacturer's instructions. The soft serve mix can also be made up to 24 hours in advance and stored in a refrigerator until ready to use. If doing this method, be sure to blend the mix again prior to pouring it into the machine to account for any settling that may have happened. Creating a unique soft serve menu couldn't be easier thanks to the Itaberco neutral soft serve mix. Solutions for a craft soft serve program with no complicated calculations or complex flavoring techniques. Now that's an ingredient for a sweeter life.